Snoring Scene from the Homer Goes to College Season 5 episode of The Simpsons.
Core meltdown in 10 seconds. 9, 8. Meltdown averted. Good boy.
Disturb me during nap time.
We're from the Nuclear Regulatory Commission. This is a surprise test of worker competence.
There must be some mistake. We make cookies here. Mr. Burns' old-fashioned good time, extra chewy.
Get the axe.
The watchdog of public safety. Is there any lower form of life?
Don't worry, sir. I rounded up our less gifted employees and led them into the basement.
Homer, why are we down here?
Oh, jeez. I told you, Bernie, to guard the bee.
But why?
Oh, you guys are pathetic. No wonder Smithers made me head bee guy.
It's got away.
Oh, we did bad.
Oh, hey, come back.
Is there